This video will guide you through the various hotkeys and keyboard shortcuts in Slickplan. It's crucial to highlight that the Command key on Mac OS is equivalent to the Control key. To create a sitemap, use Command E to add new pages to the initial level instead of repeatedly clicking the Add Page tooltip. Use Command+Enter to create a child page and Shift+Enter to add new pages on the same level as the last one. Shortcut hotkeys are available for undoing and redoing actions. Use Command-Z to undo and Command-Y to redo. To adjust the width of your sitemap, simply press Command and minus to zoom out if it becomes too vast. To enlarge the sitemap, utilize Command+. To select a parent page with child pages, hold Shift and click the Parent Pages checkbox. Find all hotkeys listed in the Shortcuts sidebar by clicking the question mark on the navigation bar and selecting Keyboard Shortcuts. For more information, please visit our support site. Thanks for watching.